Anyways, I was finishing off my video last time, and it kind of turned off before I was done. But what I was actually trying to say was my other Frozen player was a punter, Tom Brady, and I don't really have anything else. I'm level 24 right now. Well, bright. Alright, can I turn down the brightness? And maybe if I do that, you can see better. There's my name and how much I'm up and stuff. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and if you liked it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. And see you guys in the next video. This probably makes no sense. Makes no sense where I'm recording. You'll figure out that in the future. So, bye bye.